Crypto.com is a company that's had explosive growth over the last year. And I know you guys are interested in it because so many of you have signed up for the Crypto.com Visa debit card. I love my card and I use it every single day. We've gone over the incredible Crypto.com app and its features, but I seem to get one common complaint about the app. And I'm pleased to say that they fixed it, and this is going to change the game. Today, I'm going to tell you all about this exciting feature and walk you through it. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto. If you would like daily crypto videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to learn more about crypto or trading, then please make sure to join one or both of my Telegram chats, the Bit Squad or Bit Squad Traders. All right, guys, today we are going to be taking a look at the brand new Crypto.com wallet. Now, this is different from the regular Crypto.com app. So a huge complaint that I frequently got on my Crypto.com videos was that you do not own your own private keys on the app. And this means that while it has a lot of great features, it still is not the optimal way to store your crypto. For your crypto to be the most secure, you always need to be in control of your private keys. But now, with the addition of the Crypto.com wallet, you are in control of your own crypto with your own private keys. And I believe that shoring up this one weak point makes me think even more that Crypto.com is going to blast off to the moon. We've already seen the explosive growth of CRO token as it has almost moved up to the top 10 in all cryptocurrencies. And in my estimation, it's going to be there by the end of the year. So you aren't going to want to miss out on CRO or the Crypto.com Visa debit card. Now, these sleek metal cards allow you to actually spend your crypto. If you want to sign up for one of the cards and get $50 for free, then please make sure to visit mcocard.bitboy.live and use the code BitBoy when you sign up. But today, we're going to be doing a rundown of the wallet app, and I'm going to show you all of its features and do a little tutorial. Let's jump in. So if you search Crypto.com in the App Store, the first thing that's going to come up is a Crypto.com app. So if you scroll down, you'll see the top is an advertisement, which is something that Crypto.com does a great job of, is advertising. One reason why I'm so bullish on this project. You guys will see the first organic listing is also the Crypto.com app. But if you scroll down a little bit further, you will find the Crypto.com wallet. You guys can see that it has a white background behind the logo instead of the blue one that the Crypto.com app has. Okay, so there it is on my home screen, so I'm going to tap Crypto.com wallet. Now, you're going to have two different options here. Well, actually three. You're going to be able to import an existing wallet, which I've already created one that I connected to my Crypto.com account. I've cleared it off the wallet because I have the recovery phrase. So now I can either create a new wallet or connect to the Crypto.com app. So what we're going to do first is create a new wallet. I'm going to walk you through that whole process. So the first thing is you have your terms of service and privacy policy. So we're going to read all the way through each one of those. I'm just kidding. We're not actually going to do that. Who does that? Let's just click the boxes. I may have just signed my life away. So I hit continue. Now you're going to have to protect your wallet. So the first thing you have to do is create a passcode. So we're going to create a passcode here. This wallet is just for demo purposes. Okay. Now once you do this, you have a couple of options. You are able to use your Face ID, even though I'm not sure why it's not showing on here right now. What I set up my previous wallet, you can actually set up to unlock it with your Face ID. You can enable two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator or Authy. So this would walk you through how to do that. Now it's going to walk you through the recovery phrase. It's going to explain what this is. This is how you back up your wallet. It's a seed phrase. It's 12 words. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the end here. You're going to hit reveal my recovery phrase. Now, interestingly enough, I discovered this. This is pretty neat. So since I have my phone here connected to my computer doing this screen record, it will not actually show my recovery phrase. It will not let me back this up if I'm connected to a computer. And I think that's very smart. It shows the security measures that this Crypto.com wallet has gone, the extent it's gone to make sure that everyone, is very safe. It's forcing you to be safe here. So see, if I swipe right, if I click these, nothing's going to show up. Now, if I unplug this, it will give me the recovery phrase. So I'm obviously not going to do that for the screen recording purpose, but you don't have to have the recovery phrase to start using the wallet. So you guys can see here, it shows Bitcoin, Ethereum, CRO, and MCO. But if you actually go to receive, if you click receive, it will show you all of the different coins that you can hold in this wallet. Bitcoin, ETH, CRO, MCO, BAT, Seller, DAI, ELF, Engine, Fetch, Golem, Holochain, Kyber, Link, Litecoin, Decentraland, Matic, Maker, Omise Go, Paxos, TrueUSD, USD Coin, Tether, Walton Chain, Stellar, Ripple, and ZRX. So those are all of the coins right now that you can receive on this wallet. So just to kind of show you what you can look to hold. So that's how you set up a brand new wallet with the app. Now, what you can do is you can go through and set up the new wallet, and then as you see at the bottom, it gives you the option to connect it to your Crypto.com app. And it's the same process if you had just started it that way. Then we have enable email updates. So that's if you want to get promotional stuff from them, you can do that. So go over some of the settings up here. You guys can see you can protect your wallet. That's going to be where you're going to be able to do your Face ID or your two-factor authentication. To remove this wallet, you're going to actually have to have your recovery phrase. So keep that in mind if you switch phones. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you guys how to connect to the Crypto.com app. What you're going to do is hit connect here. You're going to click both of these things. Now you're going to hit connect now, and it's going to walk you through this process. You're going to actually type your name in here, your email address for your account, and then they're going to send you a connection email. You're going to take that connection email, you're going to confirm it, and at that point, you are almost going to be ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and actually restore my original wallet that I have on this phone that connects to my Crypto.com account, so I can show you guys how you have to send crypto to your wallet from the Crypto.com app. So, the Crypto.com app, you're going to use it to earn, to stake, for your MCO card, and then this is going to be an actual, hot wallet you can have on your device that you're going to have the private keys to, and you're going to lock your crypto away. So you got to kind of think of it as they work very well together. You're able to send crypto from your Crypto.com app to your wallet, but your wallet is separate. That is HODL. That is where you are keeping your currency. So I'm going to go ahead and connect those and show you guys how to. So I'm going to go ahead and connect those and show you how to do it. Okay, guys, so I have my Crypto.com wallet here. I've got my balances covered up. Obviously, I don't want you guys seeing all my personal business. But let's move down to a project that I don't have any in this wallet. So let's go to basic attention token. So what you're going to do to send money to your Crypto.com wallet is you're just going to pull up the currency. You're going to hit transfer. You're going to hit withdraw. Now, it's going to have a third option. Originally, if you have the app and you don't have it connected, it just says Crypto.com users or external wallet. But now you have the Crypto.com wallet option that you can tap. So tap that. Tap that. So we're going to pick basic attention token here, and then you just put the amount, however much you have. Now, one thing that's pretty interesting about the Crypto.com app that is something I'm not a big fan of is you have to do the US dollar value and then equate it to, let's say you got 700 BAT you want to send. You got to figure out how much money that is. Okay, so probably 168 would be 700. So as you guys can see here, it's not an exact science. You just got to figure out what the US dollar value you want to send is, and then you send that. So I'm going to send $169 that I don't have. I'm going to hit withdraw. Now, when I hit withdraw, it's going to take me to this screen. All you have to do here is just hit confirm, and it is going to send. Now, it's obviously not going to do that for me because I don't have anything in here. So then you just put your passcode in, and then it will take you back to the Crypto.com wallet. Now, this takes about 5 minutes from my experience. It took about 5 minutes the first time to transfer. And, so Crypto.com app has to go through a little bit of a pending process to be able to get you to a place where, the money will send. So it's not instant. So when you do it, don't freak out. It'll take a couple minutes. It might take more than 5 minutes. It might take less than 5 minutes. That's what it took for me on this first transfer. And then it'll hit your wallet, and boom, you got your money in your Crypto.com wallet. And you know what, guys? I'm a big fan of this wallet, and I'm a big fan of Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a monthly supporter of my channel. They give a small amount per month. And they don't require me to do anything, but I love talking about Crypto.com because I believe it is going to be the biggest project or the biggest company in crypto outside of maybe Binance and a few others, and it may actually challenge those companies. People love this wallet. They love the debit card. If you want to get the debit card and $50 for free, make sure you guys use mcocard.bitboy.live. Stake some MCO, you get the card, you spend, you help adoption. It's a win-win for everyone. So I think everybody should participate and get the Crypto.com card. If you don't have it, why? What are you waiting for? Anyone who has it will tell you it's a great experience. If you ever have any issues, if you have a big major problem, just send me an email at bitboy@bitboycrypto.com. If you have a major issue with the wallet, like I said, money's missing, send me an email and I will hook you up with my kind of fast track support and hopefully be able to get you some answers. So guys, once again, I'm a big fan of crypto.com. I love this wallet. I'm going to be using it in the future for some HODL stuff and things like that. So do you like this wallet? Let me know. It's your turn. Drop your comment down below and let me know whether or not you're going to use this wallet if you're a fan of crypto.com, or if there's another wallet that you really love, you can drop that down below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.